Usain Bolt is a Jamaican former sprinter. He is a world record holder in the 100 meters, 200 meters and 4 into 100 meters relay. Owing to his achievements and dominance in sprint competition, he is widely considered to be the greatest sprinter of all time. Bolt was born on 21st August 1986 to parents Wellesley and Jennifer Bolt in Sherwood Content, a small town in Jamaica. He has a brother, Sadiki, and a sister, Sherin. Bolt has the nickname Lightning Bolt due to his name and speed. As a child, Bolt attended Waldensia Primary, where he began showing his sprint potential when he ran in his parish's annual national primary school meet. In 2010, Bolt also revealed his fondness of music when he played a reggae DJ set to a crowd in Paris. By the age of 12, Bolt had become the school's fastest runner over the 100 meters distance. Owing to his achievements and dominance in sprint competition, he is widely considered to be the greatest sprinter of all time. An 8-time Olympic gold medalist, Bolt is the only sprinter to win Olympic 100-meter and 200-meter titles at 3 consecutive Olympics. In addition, he owned 2 4 into 100 relay gold medals. Bolt made a cameo appearance in the opening sketch of 13 October 2012 broadcast of Saturday Night Live hosted by Christina Applegate. On 23 November 2016, Bolt competed against James Corden in a rap battle on the Drop the Mic segment of the Late Late Show with James Corden, which he owned. He gained worldwide fame for his double sprint victory in world record times at the 2008 Beijing Olympics, which made him the first person to hold both records since fully automatic time became mandatory. An 11-time world champion, he won consecutive world championship 100-meter, 200-meter and 4 into 100 meters relay gold medals from 2009 to 2015, with the exception of a 100-meter false start in 2011. He is the most successful athlete of the World Championships. Bolt improved upon his second 100-meter world record of 9.69 with 9.58 seconds in 2009, the biggest improvement since the start of electronic timing. Bolt's most successful event is the 200-meter, with 3 Olympic and 4 world titles. The 2008 Olympics was his international debut over 100-meter. He had earlier won numerous 200-meter medals and holds the world under-20 and world under-18 records for the event. In August 2014, Bolt set the indoor 100-meter world record in Warsaw with a time of 9.98 seconds. At the start of 2015, he intended to make the 2017 World Championships in athletics his last major competition before retirement. At the 2016 Rio Olympics, Bolt won the 100 meters gold medal with a time of 9.81 seconds. His achievements as a sprinter have earned him the media nickname Lightning Bolt, and his awards include the IAAF World Athlete of the Year, Track and Field Athlete of the Year, BBC Overseas Sports Personality of the Year. On 12 October 2018, Bolt scored twice for the team in a friendly match. He left the club the following month and in January 2019 chose not to pursue a career in football.